Welcome to Gold Gain Telegram channel. If you want to get daily VIP signal of Gold Gain, now complete your account through our exness referral link. Our exness referral link is given in the comment box of the video. You can click on our referral link and click on register. Select your country. Type your email address. Type your new password here. Then click continue. After that, click on real account. Click complete profile. Click on get started now. Check your email and submit the email verification code here. Copy the code. Then submit here. Enter your phone number here by clicking on confirm phone. Kindly check your mobile SMS and submit the code. Complete your profile information according to the rules given in the video by clicking on add profile information. Upload and submit the first part and back part of your national identity card for account verification. Thank you and stay with Gold Gain Telegram channel.